Welcome to Frontline UCX. Today our topic is why America is secretly preparing for World War III. Okay, we discuss our topic. The world is changing faster than ever before, and many people believe that the United States is quietly preparing for a conflict larger than everything we have seen in decades. Around the global military budgets are rising, alliances are shifting, and powerful nations are testing new weapons every single year. While most people continue their daily lives, governments are planning for possibilities that could reshape the future of humanity forever. But this biggest question remains the same. Is America secretly preparing for World War III? For years, experts have warned that tensions between global superpowers are reaching dangerous levels. The United States, China, Russia, Iran, and North Korea are all involved in growing military competitions. News headlines talk about trade wars, cyber attacks, military exercises, and nuclear threats almost every week. Many believe these are not isolated events. These are pieces of much larger puzzle that could eventually lead to a global conflict unlike anything the modern world has experienced. The United States spends more money on defense than almost every other country combined. Massive aircraft carriers, advanced fighter jets, nuclear submarines, artificial intelligence, weapons, and secret military projects are being developed at incredible speed. The Pentagon continues to increase research into hypersonic missiles, space defense system, and autonomous cabinet technology. Some people believe this is simply normal military advancement, while others think it is evidence that America is preparing for something much bigger behind closed doors. One of the biggest reasons people fear a future world war is the growing tension between the United States and China. China has rapidly expanded its military over the past decade, building powerful naval fleets, advanced missile and modern air defense systems. At the same time, America continues strengthening alliances in the Pacific region, including Japan, South Korea, and Australia. Military drills near Taiwan have increased, and experts warn that Taiwan could become the spark that ignites a global crisis. Taiwan is one of the most sensitive issues in international politics. China considered Taiwan part of its territory, while the United States support Taiwan's ability to defend itself. If China attempts to take Taiwan by force, America could become directly involved. Many analysts believe such a conflict would not stay limited to one region. It could pull multiple nations into war, creating a China reaction across the globe. At the same time, tension between America and Russia remain extremely dangerous. Since the conflict in Ukraine began, relations between Moscow and Washington have become worse than they have been a decades. Russia has rapidly warned Western nations against deeper involvement while the United States and NATO continue providing military support to Ukraine. Some fear that one mistake, one missile, or one misunderstanding could trigger direct confrontation between nuclear powers. The existence of nuclear weapons make modern conflict far more terrifying than previous world wars. During World War I and World War II, million died. Millions died. Traditional warfare alone. Today, a single nuclear weapon could destroy an entire city within a minute. The United States, Russia, China, France, Britain, India, Pakistan, and North Korea all possess nuclear capabilities. Experts warn that if nuclear conflict ever begins, the consequence could affect every nation on earth. Other major concern is cybercrime warfare. future wars may not be with bombs or soldiers. Instead, they could start with attacks on power, grids, banking system, communication, networks, and transportation system. Governments around the world are investing heavily on cybercrime defense and offensive hacking capabilities. The United States has created specialized units designed to protect national infrastructure from foreign attacks. Some experts believe cyber warfare has already started quietly in the background without the public fully realizing it. Artificial intelligence is also transforming the future of warfare. Military researchers are developing drones capable of making decisions without human controls. AI system can analyze battlefield information faster than any human commander. Some believe future war could involve autonomous machines fighting alongside soldiers or even replacing them entirely. The race of military AI domains has become one of the most important strategic competition between global powers. Space has also become a new battlefield. The United States created the Space Force to protect satellites and space based technology. Modern militaries rely heavily on satellites for communication, navigation, intelligence, and missile detection. If these systems were attacked during conflict, entire military operations could collapse. China and Russia have both tested anti satellite weapons, raising fears the future war could extend far beyond Earth itself. Many people also point to America's increasing military presence around the world. The United States operates hundreds of military bases across multiple continents. America troops are stationed in Europe, Asia, the Middle East, and other strategic regions. Supporters argue these bases help maintain global stability, while critics claim they show preparation for further large-scale conflict. Military exercises have also become more frequent and more advanced. American force regularly trained with allied the nation, simulating large-scale war scenarios. These drills involve aircraft carriers, fighter jets, submarines, missile systems, and thousands of soldiers. Government says these exercises are defensive preparation, but some analysts believe they reveal how seriously military leaders are preparing for possible future confrontation. Economic warfare is other hidden battlefield. Powerful nations are using sanctions, trade restrictions, and financial pressure as weapon against rebels. The United States has imposed sanctions on multiple countries, including Russia, Iran, and China related entities. These economic actions can damage industries, weaken currencies, and create political instability. Some experts argue economic warfare is already a form of global conflict that could eventually escalate into military confrontation. The rise of misinformation and propaganda has added other layer of danger. Social media allows information to spread instantly across the world, but it also false narratives and psychological warfare to influence millions of people. Governments and intelligence agencies are accused of using online platforms to shape public opinion, manipulate elections, and create divisions within rival nations. In future conflicts, controlling information may become just as important as controlling territory. There are also concerns about secret underground facilities and emergency government plans. Throughout history, government have prepared hidden bunkers, plans and emergency system in case of nuclear war or catastrophic events. In the United States, facilities such as Mountain were designed to survive massive attack. Conspiracy theories claim there are many more secret locations unknown to the public prepared for high-ranking officials during Ross case scenarios. Sorry. Other reason people believe America is preparing for World War III is the increased focus on survival readiness. Government encourage emergency preparedness, stockpiling supplies and strengthening infrastructure against potential attacks. During recent global crises, people witnessed how quickly supply chains can break down. Food shortage, fuel price increases and energy concern revealed vulnerability in modern society that could become even worse during large scale conflict. Energy competition is also dividing global tensions. Oil, natural gas, rare earth minerals, and advanced technology resources are becoming increasingly valuable. Nations compete for access to these resources because they are essential for economic and military powers. Control over energy routes, shipping lanes, and strategic territories has historically played a major role in global conflict, and many experts believe the same pattern is happening again today. The Middle East remains under potential flashpoint. Conflict involving Iran, Israel, Saudi Arabia, and other regional powers continue creating instability. The United States maintain strong military relationship in the region, and any major escalation could pull multiple countries into border confrontation. Some analysts believe regional wars have the potential to grow into international crises involving major superpowers. North Korea continues testing missiles and expanding its military capabilities. The isolated nation frequently issues threats against the United States and its allies. Although some views these actions as political strategy, others worry that unpredictable leadership combined with nuclear weapons create an extremely dangerous situation. A single miscalculation could have devastating consequences. Many historians compare today's tension to the year before previous World War. Before World War I, alliances, military build-up, and political rivals slowly increased until one event triggered massive global conflict. Some experts believe modern societies may be experiencing a similar pattern. Nations are competing economically, militarily, technologically, and politically while trust between major power continues to decline. At the same time, others argue that World War III is unlikely because modern leaders understand the catastrophic between nuclear powers could destroy both sides completely. Because of this, some experts believe major nations will avoid direct war and instead continuous fighting through proxy conflicts, cyber attacks, and economic competition. Still, many ordinary people remain worried every year. New military technologies are revealed and global tensions continue appearing in headlines. Video of missiles, test fighter jets, and military exercise spread rapidly online, fueling public fear about the future. Movies, television shows, and videos games also contributed to fascinations with global conflict scenarios, making the idea of World War III feel both terrifying and strangely believable. Government rarely reveal all their plans, public military strategies, intelligence operation and defense projects are often kept secret for national security reasons. The secrecy creates space of speculations, conspiracy theories, and fears. When people see rising defense budgets, secret weapons programs, and increasing geopolitical tensions, that naturally being asking difficult questions about what might happen next. Some believe America is not preparing for war specifically but preparing to prevent war through strength. The idea behind military powers in deterrence. If a nation appears strong enough, potential enemies may avoid attacking in the first place. Supporters of this strategy argue that powerful defense systems actually help maintain peace because reveals fear the consequence of confrontation. Other believes military buildup itself increases danger because it creates mistrust between nations. When one country develops advanced weapon, reveals respond by building even more powerful system, this cycle can continue until tensions reach dangerous level. History shows that armed races after contribute to instability, especially when combined with political dispute and economic competition. Technology companies are now deeply connected to national security. Artificial intelligence, satellite system, communication, network, and advanced computing all play critical role in modern defense strategies. Government work closely with private corporations to develop technologies that could shape the future for warfare. The connection between technologies and military power has become one of the defining features of the modern world. The internet has made global more visible than ever before. People can watch conflict unfold in real time through social media and live broadcasts. Even military movement, diplomatic statement, or international crisis immediately becomes global news. This constant flow of information increases public awareness but also amplifies fear and uncertainty. Climate change may also contribute to future conflict. Rising temperatures, water shortage, natural disaster, and food insecurity could create instability in vulnerable region. Some experts warn that competition for resources may increase tension between nations over the coming decades. Military organizations around the world are already studying how environmental change could affect national security. Meanwhile, intelligence agencies continue monitoring threats across the globe. Espionage, surveillance, and covert operations remain central parts of international competition. Countries seek information about reveal military capabilities, technology development, and political strategies. The secret world of intelligence often shapes global event in way ordinary citizens never fully see. Public opinion also matters greatly during time of tension. Government must maintain support from their population, especially in democratic societies. Media narratives, political speeches, and national identity all influence how people view international reveals. Fear, patriotism, and uncertainty can dramatically shape public reaction during crisis. Throughout history, humanity has repeatedly experienced cycle of conflict and peace. After every major war, people hope that the world was learned its lesson, yet new rivalries eventually emerge. Advance in technology make each generation of warfare potentially more destructive than the last. This reality causes many people to question whether humanity can truly avoid other global catastrophes. Some futurists believe the nature of war itself is changing completely. Instead of massive probes, invasions, future conflicts may focus on cyber attacks, drones, artificial intelligence, economic disruptions, and control of information. World War III, if it ever happens, may look very different from previous war. If it could involve battle fought not only on land, sea, and air but also in cyberspace, outer space, and digital networks. The United States continues adapting to these evolving threats, military leaders emphasizing flexibility and technology and global readiness, recruitment campaign focused on cyber skill, engineering, and advanced technical experts alongside traditional combat roles. The modern battlefield increasingly depend on data, communication, and innovation. Despite growing fears, many diplomats and international organizations continue working to reduce tensions. Negotiations, trades, and diplomatic channels remain essential tools for preventing escalations. Communication between rival nations is critical because misunderstanding during periods of high tensions can quickly spiral out of control. The future remains uncertain. No one can predict exactly what will happen in the coming year. Some believe humanity stands on the edge of unprecedented conflict, while others believe cooperation and diplomacy will ultimately prevent disaster. What is clear is that the world is entering a period of major transformation driven by technology, politics, economies, and global competition. As ordinary people watch events unfold, many continue asking the same unsettling question: is America secretly preparing for World War III, or it's simple adapting to an increasingly dangerous world? The answer may depend on how global leaders handle rising tensions in the years ahead. One thing is certain: the decision made today by governments, military leaders, scientists, and citizens could shape the future of humanity for generations to come. Whether the world moves toward peace, cooperation, and stability, or towards divisions, conflict, and destruction remain one of the greatest questions of our time. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, comment it, share it, and support me. We'll meet in next video, inshallah.